we're going to keep going. This is the CLC Paint YouTube channel. Let me find my brush. So last time we added some extra liquid white and put this on. Now, once we're ready for it, and be aware there could be possible interruptions, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be in your water. This is going to be in your sky. Now, we're going to grab ourselves same brush, phthalo blue. Tap that in. Hopefully you can see that. Phthalo blue, not as dark as Prussian, which is right above it there. Now we've got a good amount of that. Let's do X's in each corners. And work our way across to the top, like so. Doing up and downs. As long as you're doing somewhat X's, you want the feathered edges. The feathered edges there is what blends good. And you want some swooping motion a little. Gives it some character. The more swipes you do, the more of a flat blended color rather than a lot of action going on you'll end up with. Now, get a little bit more on the brush. Tap it in to make sure it's evenly spread throughout the bristles, not huge chunks. And then on the bottom we're going to come straight across. We need our painting to sit a little higher. Sometimes you gotta hold it down from the top. I'm gonna make sure I have enough paint in the brush in case the canvas gives us trouble. Sorry about the shadows, ladies and gentlemen. Want this to be straight. And see, that's where the liquid white is. And that's where it's not. That's where it's not. That's alright, we're going to make some trees and stuff down there later. Or maybe we'll make a waterfall and the water will be splashing and stuff. We can take care of that. Happy accidents, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. And next time we'll come back with a clean dry brush and we'll blend all of this and start making some clouds. So until then, I am Chase Corrington and this is the CLC Paint YouTube channel.